everyone, my name is Kara and I'm the product specialist here at the Mercedes-Benz of Jacksonville, and today I'm going to be showing you how to pair your Mercedes with your garage door. First, I am resetting the buttons underneath the rear view mirror by holding down the first and third button until we see a blinking green light. Now we can choose which button we want to pair to the garage door remote. I selected the one closest to the driver. I'm going to hold that button down and hold down the button on the remote until we see the blinking green light once again. As soon as it blinks green, you're going to go into your garage and press the sync program button. This may look different depending on your model. We now have 30 seconds to get back into the car to hold down the initial paired button for 2 seconds multiple times for the car to connect to the garage door signal. Thank you so much for watching my video on how to pair your garage door in your Mercedes. If you have any questions regarding this or any questions regarding the vehicle you currently own, please reach out to the dealership and I'll be happy to assist you. My name is Kara, the product specialist here at the Mercedes-Benz of Jacksonville.